if you can hear that blower. Anyway, you guys, happy Friday. It's Friday. Shop with me. I hope I got good enough clips for you and flip over every aisle and I would get carried away with shopping rather than this too. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much. It's Friday, my second day off. It's like super duper hot, you guys, super duper hot today. I don't have any makeup on, so excuse me, scary face. Anyway, we're out and about. I want to go to Dollar Tree to get some footage, as well as some, I don't know why my camera's going in and out. It's not focusing. Anyway, that's better. Dryer sheets. I need to go get some dryer sheets. So I wanted to take you along with me. I went to Walmart to go pick up my meds. I take medication for my hypothyroidism, and I had ran out. I took my last pill this morning. I usually have to take those like 30 minutes before I can eat or drink anything other than water. So I went to go pick up my refills and picked up a couple of things there. I just noticed the strawberry, same brand at Walmart, and I thought, oh man, good deal, under $3, $2.87 or $2.89, something like that. I have to look on the receipt. Over here at Aldi's, same brand, same size, same quantity, everything with the strawberries. $1.50, no, it was $1.49, half price, just about half price. So yeah, like I said, it's the same brand too. That was bizarre. I get strawberries every time I go to the market because like there's only certain fruits that I can have while doing my keto, and in order to stay in ketosis, and I stick to strawberries and blueberries or blackberries, the little round berries. The berries, the little round berries, I like those because I can wash those, let them dry, put them back in the container, wash the container too, and stick them in the freezer, and then I just get, you know, a handful whenever I have berries. Those are good, and I like them cold like that too. I like them cold, but I like the fact that they don't go bad. Before I knew that little trick, I was always throwing berries away because I couldn't eat them fast enough. So anyway, today the eggs at Aldi's are 55 cents for a dozen, but you know, only per person. So I got me 3 dozen, and then I sent Mom back in. I said, Mom, go get that dozen. Also, the cases of water here they went up in price because they used to be $1.79, but I think because of all the earthquake stuff, the prices went up, and it is $1.99, but that's still a good price compared to Costco. I never went back to Costco. The day after the second earthquake, the 7.1, I went to Costco and they were wiped out. So I haven't gone back over there, and I believe their cases of water are just under $3, $2 and some cents. So right here, this is a good buy. I got, and it's only 2 per person. They want to make sure everybody gets their share, which I like that. So mom's getting her. She's getting, I know it seems like we're cheating, but you know, we're both paying out of our own different pockets. And so she's getting the eggs, which is, you can only buy, it's 3 per customer, the 3 dozen, so at 55 cents. So I got my 3 dozen eggs and my 2 cases of water, and she's gonna want to go get her 3 dozen of eggs and 2 cases of water. We're still waiting for another earthquake. They keep talking about that, and so we're just kind of like staying prepared at the house. And we got things like our flashlights ready. We went to Dollar Tree and got some little matchsticks, those little wooden matchsticks. I have some charcoal in case I need to cook outside on the barbecue pit. What else? Just plenty of water. We have some canned goods. I hate canned goods. I really do. I mean, I shouldn't say hate. I don't like having things from a can. I guess I'm getting fussy now since I've been almost a year on my keto journey, because keto, everything is fresh. Fresh fruit, fresh berries basically, fresh meat, fresh vegetables. Everything is, it's like almost no percentage of preservatives. So I've kind of gotten used to eating that way. So here comes mom. I can jibber jabber away, you guys. Let's go to the Dollar Tree. So there's a lot of people, and I'm bashful, you guys. I hope you're enjoying this. Okay, so mom just got 1 case of water. I don't know why. She went to go get her little quarterback. Over here at Aldi's, I just turned the car on. It's what, 20 years ago? Happy Saturday. We're going to go look at mom's gardening, and I want to share it with you guys.
This one's drying.
She repotted all of these, I don't know, spider plants. Is that what they're called, Mom?
I didn't repot them.
She got them from, let me show. From this. I had this since I moved in this house, what, 20 years ago? I've been here for almost 20 years, I think. It was my grandma's plant. Hi, Butchie. Hello, sweetie. Anyway, mom's been pulling the little hairs of the babies. And this is what she's repotting them into. All of those pots that she brought from the side of the house.
I think I might have planted the other ones too low. Oh, here they are.
She planted. I don't know if, yeah, you could see it.
Look at there. I see it.
They're coming out. They need water, Mama.
Well, yeah, I sprinkle them in the morning.
No, these are from the boxes of the annual florals or the wildflowers from Dollar Tree. She just, when did you plant these in here?
8 days ago.
8 days ago, she says. She thinks. So they're already popping up. She's going to water them right now.
On her pills was 8 days ago.
Oh, okay. She's...
I want to...
No.
Yeah, because there's more there.
I've been here for almost 20 years, I think. Don't mind us. We're in our pajamas. We got our tops on, but we're in our pajamas. We got up early to go watch my grandson have his first basketball game. So we're just there for a short time because it's super hot and Mom can't tolerate too much heat. So
And I want to do these.
Anyway.
This is going to be repotted too.
Okay, and this one I love. I got to show this to you. Here's some more pots that she planted. Spider plants. Butchie! And this is her little garden section.
I'm trying to get roots for these.
In water? We're going to have to Google that and see if that's how it's done, Mom.
Yeah, because they dried up.
Don't mind us. We're in our pajamas. We got our tops on, but we're in our pajamas. We got up early to go watch my grandson have his first basketball game. So we're just there for a short time because it's super hot and Mom can't tolerate too much heat. So
And I want to do these.
Anyway.
This is going to be repotted too.
Okay, and this one I love. I got to show this to you. I love this. I don't know what that's called. If you guys know, tell me in the comment section. But my aunt, my mom's baby sister, she lived in LA. She had her front and the back of her house was full of these types of succulents. I think my mom's best friend, Dolores, her friend Lola, gave her this. But it reminds me of my Nina, my mom's little sister. She was my Nina. She passed almost 2 years ago. But anyway, this reminds me of my Nina. I love it. I don't know what it's called, you guys. Tell me what it's called if you know. So you're misting them? Yeah.
We'll have to get one at Lowe's again for the front.
I think we probably have more. Once we get organized, we'll keep all our gardens.
There's more, but there's not one like this one. This is mine from this kind
Oh,
of
okay.
And I want to plant some here because I have a lot more little seeds.
So this is our Saturday morning, you guys. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. I'm coming inside because it's already hot. It's 11. It's just before noon. But it's hot. It's a scorcher, and it was hot out there this morning, too, when we went out to that school for my grandson. Oh, my God, there was so many people. No parking. Oh, and it was hot. And Mom was with me. So that was just like a little itty-bitty thing. I can't have her out in the heat too much. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. So this is our Saturday morning, you guys. I hope you guys are having a good Saturday. I'm coming inside because it's already hot. See,
Look at their eyes. See it.
they're coming out. They need water, Mama. I don't know what that's called. If you guys know, tell me in the comment section.